We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of KONNWEI KW371 battery tester and relay tester 2-in-1. Consists of the following features: 2-in-1 professional diagnostic tool. Battery and relay testing, not just a battery tester. The KONNWEI KW371 integrates an advanced 12/24 relay tester capable of diagnosing 4-pin and 5-pin automotive relays. Quickly identifies coil failures and contact wear without disassembling the entire fuse box, a must-have for mechanics and advanced DIYers. Wide compatibility for 6, 12, 24-volt batteries. Unlike testers limited to 12-volt, the KW371 covers 6-volt, motorcycle, 12-volt, car, SUV, and 24-volt, truck, boat, systems. It accurately analyzes lead acid, AgM flat, spiral, GEL, EFB, and lithium batteries with a 10 to 2000 cca and 5 to 220 amp-hour range. Supports multiple global standards including CCA, JIS, EN, DIN, SAE, IEC, and GB. Cranking and charging system analyzer. Know your vehicle's full health. Perform 3 in-depth tests: battery health, SOH, SOC, internal resistance, voltage, cranking test, min, max starting voltage and milliseconds, and charging test, loaded, unloaded ripple detection. Instantly determines if the issue is a dead battery, faulty alternator, or failing starter. User-friendly with clear visual alerts. Features a graphical waveform display for real-time voltage monitoring. Delivers straightforward results: good battery, replace, bad cell, or charge retest. Polarity reverse protection ensures safety for beginners. Includes 18 language options: English, Spanish, French, and more, for global usability. Rugged and ready for the field. No batteries needed, powered directly by the vehicle's battery via durable alligator clips. Supports USB connection to PC for software updates and report printing, Windows supported. Designed for mechanics, fleet managers, and RV boat owners who demand reliable diagnostics on the go. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thank you and see you next video.